Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make motivational videos on TikTok. So I will be showing you these tools that can help us create motivational videos on TikTok. First things first, you can now go to ChatGPT or create an account here and then ask ChatGPT to give you the top 10 motivational quotes and ChatGPT will give you this. You can ask more or generate more questions and motivational quotes if you want. Once you have it, you can go to any websites that can generate free videos for you, or if you have your own videos then you can use it. This time I have to go to this website right here, Pixels, and ask for a video sample, for example nature. You can just type the keyword here and then this site will give you sample videos for free. Now once you have your video, and then you can now go to your Canva and then start uploading and editing this video right here. So while waiting for this video to finish, we can go to 11 Labs. All you have to do is to create an account here, tap on text to speech, and then copy, paste, generate a speech, look for that specific voice that you want. After that, you can now download this voiceover. So it is text to speech feature here on 11 Labs. So once you have downloaded all of this sample of text to speech, you can now go to Canva, create an account, and then here go to the search icon and then look for TikTok. Then you should have this TikTok ratio right here. It should be the same with your TikTok ratio. So this is what it looks like. You can upload the video here from Pixels, and then you can now edit this video. You can add text, okay, and then basically paste or copy and paste this motivational quotes. Copy this one, go back to your Canva, paste, and so on. Now you can do editing here inside Canva. So you can do this even if you're using the free version. You can change the font size, font style, effects, font color, and so on. So you can do this to all of the motivational quotes. Just follow this one and then tap on share, and then make sure that the format is MP4. After that, you can now go to CapCut, download this one right here. Once you have this tool, import the video that you have created using Canva. You can now change ratio to 9:16. Add the voiceover that we have generated using 11 Labs. You can now add also a background music for your motivational video, and then here's the sample result.
Great work is to love what you do. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal.
Now you can share this motivational video to your TikTok account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.